create. This is going to be an escabeche recipe. In Puerto Rico, we call it escabeche. We do with fish. We have done it with other things. And this one I'm going to do with catfish. I have a catfish filet. I'm going to grab the ingredients needed in the description, but I will tell you as I'm cooking this. But let's first put some salt. You can put pepper too, but I'm fine with the salt. And I'm going to add some garlic powder. And you're going to do the same on the other side, okay? So I had this pan, couple notches about medium. Because I'm only cooking one fish, I'm only going to use 3/4 of a cup of extra virgin olive oil. It should be sufficient. And then 1/4 of a cup of apple cider vinegar. About 1/4. So it's a combined cup. If you're cooking more fish, like, you could have used 1 3/4 of a cup of oil and maybe half a cup of, vinegar. But this is sufficient. The amount I have here is sufficient. I got these 2 notches above medium. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to keep it simple because I'm not cooking a lot. I have some white onion and I cut it this way. I have about maybe 1/4 of an onion. You can use 1/2. You can actually add more. And that's exactly what I'm going to do. That's not sufficient for what I want. So let's make it half an onion. Let me reduce the heat to medium. Because I don't want them frying. You can add some peppercorn. Just a little bit. You don't have to go crazy. Let me add some olive without the seed. You can cut them if you want to. I just add in a few. This smells delicious. Let me add some peppers. This one is already soft. If you use regular bell red pepper, like fresh, you have to cut them in slices, but it's going to take you longer to cook, okay? So I'm adding some of this. Peppers. This is not hot pepper. This is like bell peppers or whatever. That's sweet. That's sufficient. And then, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to get a garlic, and I'm going to, and this is about a tooth of garlic. I'm just going to mince it. Ooh, smells delicious now. And you know what? Let's make it 2 teeth. This is so easy. So easy. Bay leaf, a couple bay leaf. I got 3 little ones. Just add it. And I'm going to prepare this escabeche. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to reduce the heat to a couple notches above low, couple notches below medium. And I'm going to let this go for about 8 minutes, okay? So it's been about 8 minutes. Let me get it out here. Let it cool down for a little bit. Now let's go to the fish. For the fish, or actually the catfish, I'm going to have this a medium, couple notches above medium. This is a old antique cast iron. Gone small. I don't want to overdo it. You want this. I'm going with vegetable oil because I'm going to fry it. I don't want to use my good extra virgin olive oil, but you can use any type of oil for this part because all you're doing is going to cook the catfish. But let this heat up for a little bit, okay? So let's add the catfish. Don't move it around, just leave it alone, okay? Let's make it medium high. After 3 minutes, I'm going to flip it carefully. And I'm going to cook the other side for about 2 to 3 minutes, okay? About 2 or 3 minutes later, carefully, I'm going to get this baby out. Put in a paper towel, let it dry a little bit. And I'm going to put this fish in the small container. The escabeche on top. Including the juice, some of the juices. And then I'm going to let it cool down or put in the refrigerator, okay? This is exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to put in the refrigerator and let it cool down. You can eat it the next day too, by the way. So I'm going to eat that one with tostones. This is a green plantain. You want it very green. Got it. The corners. Peel it. Make sure you take this stuff off. This one I'm going to cut in half. And then I'm going to slice it into 3 pieces. Do the same with the other side. 1, 2, and 3. So I'm using the same pot that I used earlier for the fish. And I put the plantains a couple notches above medium, enough oil, feed them in the size, this one that I cut earlier, green plantain. I'm going to let them cook, okay? About medium heat, maybe a notch above medium. About 5 or 6 minutes later, I'm going to put it on top of paper towel because I want the grease to drip. And I'm going to smash those babies. Just put pressure on it. See how smashed they are? Get a spatula, pick them up, put in aside for now on a paper towel, and do the same with the other ones, okay? Then about a notch above medium, you put in the other ones. See how flat they are now? And you let them cook each for about maybe 45 seconds so they get hardened and really cook, okay? And then when they're cooked, you're going to get it out here and put it in a paper towel